Welcome, today I'm showing you how to check battery health information into a Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your Play Store and in search of Play Store write Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Click yes I agree, close. And OK. And now swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.